So if the use of cruise control is allowed during the driving test, no, it is not. One of the skills that the examiners are going to check when you go for a driving test is your ability to control your speed in different traffic situations. When you go to 60 zone, 40 zone, 100 zone, they want to see if you can adjust your speed according to the traffic condition and the situation. Cruise control is for situations where you drive on highway, for example, it's 100 km an hour and it's a long road, so you want to activate cruise control in those situations. Otherwise, during the driving test, you quickly go to residential area 50 zone, you go to a school zone 40 zone, you come back to the main road 60 zone, then you go to the highway 100, you go off the highway and it's 60. So the speed constantly changes. It's just half an hour, and during that half an hour you need to go to a lot of different situations with different speed limits. So use of cruise control doesn't really work during the driving test, even if it is allowed. So no, you're not allowed to use that, and just you need to manually check your speed and be aware of your speed during the driving test.